The GTM extension identifies a GPS TrackMaker file containing GPS waypoint track and route data for outdoor navigation. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you open, edit, or convert these GPS navigation data files. Just a heads up, the best strategy against tricky GTM errors is having a dedicated viewing program. I'll reveal more about my favorite tool towards the end. GTM files are GPS data files from GPS TrackMaker, a navigation software application. They contain GPS waypoints, recorded tracks, and planned routes with geographic coordinates, elevation data timestamps, and descriptive metadata for outdoor navigation and track analysis. GPS TrackMaker GTM files use a proprietary binary format, storing waypoint records with latitude, longitude, altitude, and name fields alongside track logs with time-stamped position sequences and route definitions with ordered waypoint references. To gain full access to GTM, the application needed is GPS TrackMaker from GeoStudio. To enable complex features within the file, a dedicated proprietary application is necessary. Windows lacks support for spatial layers, so external GIS tools are needed. Your first move is to test the obvious. Right-click your GTM file and choose Open With. Use GPS TrackMaker if it is installed. If it's missing, select another program. We are performing a quick elimination test. If you still cannot open your GTM file, that is okay. The file is resisting, but it's not random. It's one of 3 predictable basic problems. Here's a quick checklist of these common culprits and their immediate solutions. First, opening the file. Download GPS TrackMaker from gpstm.com and open the GTM file via File, then Open. The application displays waypoints, tracks, and routes on an integrated map viewer with editing tools for modifying GPS data and planning new routes. Next, converting to GPX. Use GPS TrackMaker's export feature to convert GTM files to GPX, the universal GPS data exchange format. Select File, then Save As, and choose GPX format. GPX files can be imported into virtually any GPS device mapping application or online platform. Finally, uploading to GPS devices. Connect your GPS device and use GPS TrackMaker's transfer feature to upload waypoints, tracks, and routes directly from the GTM file. Configure the GPS communication port and protocol settings. Verify the transferred data on your GPS device before field use. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. When even the specialized programs couldn't crack the file, the issue is beyond simple fixes. File Magic is the next step, a powerful universal program designed to read the hundreds of formats that frustrate Windows. Find it at filemagic.com. If you found the instructions clear, please like the video and subscribe for new content every week.